Good morning, everyone. The next topic is logic simplification using KMap. Previously, we seen the SOP, POS forms, minterms, maxterms. Now, we are moving towards the logic simplification using KMaps. The contents towards the uh, today's topics. The contents, the basic review of Boolean algebra. We lastly seen standard forms of Boolean expressions. SOP form, that is the sum of products. Standard SOP POS form, converting product terms to standard SOP POS, converting standard SOP to standard POS or whatsoever, converting SOP expressions truth table format, KMap types, mapping standard SOP expression and KMap simplification and with examples. This is the all about today's topic. Here we taken simplification using Boolean algebra, simplified the Boolean expression using some gates and OR gates. Here is the given expression of logic diagram. The A input of the AND gate, that is the A, and the B will be second input, that is the AB, and A is the given second AND gate input, but the input of second AND gate, it is the OR gate B plus C, that is the B and C, the second input, that is the B or C, that is will be given to the second AND gate, that is the second AND gate input, that is the A in bracket B plus C. The third AND gate, that is the input of B plus C, that is the OR gate, means B or C, and self B input, and that all three will be to get together and we will get the ORing with each other, that is the that first one, first AB A, that is the second A plus in bracket B plus C, and third AND gate, that is the B in bracket B plus C. Simplification using Boolean algebra. Here we taken one example with logical diagram with which we laws we are used here. We taken here example AB plus A in bracket B plus, same previous example we taken how do it simplified with logical as well as using of Boolean laws. Here we use distributive law. Firstly, we multiply with each bracket, that is the AB will be get as it is. After plus AB plus AC we will get here plus BB plus BC. Our law says that when two terms, same terms, in that case we have to take only one term, repeated term. Hence we are taken here BB equal to B. After we reducing the equation, we got the equation, that is the AB plus AB AC, which we used the laws, hence we taken here B. We given red marks because of you getting the, as well as we remember that, plus BC. After reducing purpose, we used the laws. Here we also same terms AB plus AB. Hence it is also repeated terms. We have to take only one term, that is the AB. Hence we taken only one term AB plus AC B plus BC. Again we have to chance to reduce that. There is again already we seen the laws in previous lecture also. That is the B plus BC. That is the B is the repeated term. Hence we are taken here B. That is C will be gets cancelled. Hence we got the term AB plus AC plus B. After that same B plus BC, same here we getting the AB plus B, means we got the B and we got the term, that is the B plus AC. It is all about the laws we are used in bracket, that will be mentioned laws, and without bracket it is the reducing the equation. Means this is our equation and our simplification equation is, that is the B plus AC. Already we seen that this is our logical diagram in previous slide. Here we seen that is the logical diagram of this, and we uh, reducing our equation with logical diagram, that is the B plus AC. That is the B, it is the one input, and AC, it is the AND gate, that is the AC, it is the input of AC will be ORing with B input, we give the B plus AC. Now for another one, we take an example for the simplification purpose. A B bar in bracket C plus BD bracket complete plus A bar B bar whole bracket they were to be given and C. Then again we have to multiply with each bracket. A bar B C, A bar B C. Sorry, we taking here terms A B bar A bar B bar C plus A bar B bar C bar plus A B bar C plus. So this is the given for the your trying purpose. We I think we solved in your notebook and you try to. This is the very basic examples given for the your practice purpose, and then you solve. There are number of terms here. You have to first one multiply with each terms, then we check the repeated terms and you reduce that. Same here also, whatever the repeated terms you get the cancel, and here we will try to use the De Morgan's theorem and you will be get the answer. This is the for the trying purpose you solved in your notebook also. Here given details standard forms of Boolean expression, that is the SOP and POS form. It will be converted in non-standard to standard forms, that is the SOP form and POS. That is the SOP means sum of products and POS, that is the product of sum. Okay. It will be makes evaluation, simplification and implementation of Boolean expression about much more systematic and easier. We go to the stepwise. This is some canonical forms. Here we given 0 to 7 terms. What will be the in min terms and what will be the in max terms? What is the designation? It will be given. Already we seen that all the charts in previous, but we see for the one example. When we will take x, y, z, that is the 0, 0, 0 terms. In min term, the 0 will be noted as an bar. In max term, 0 will be noted as a without bar. In min term, here is the no init plus and means it is the ending with each other with bar, and it is the ORing with each other with plus sign. And in min term, it is noted as a short m, so small m, not short. And in max term, it is noted as a capital term. That is the related to OR terms. It is the related to AND terms. The SOP form. In SOP expressions, two or more product terms are summed by Boolean examples. Here we take an example AB plus ABC. Here also taken the different examples. How to write SOP expressions will be given here. That is the different examples in SOP. How to write the SOP expressions, it will be given here. In SOP form, a single overbar cannot extend over more than one variable. It will be cannot extend the in more variable. It will be in single. In term can we have an overbar, that is the examples A bar, B bar, C bar is okay, but it will be not that is a B, C bar. That is the not considered in SOP form. That type of examples it will be okay, but that is the not okay for the SOP form. That is the implementation of SOP. That is the we are taken here x equal to AB plus BC DAC for AND and OR implementation. Here we take an AB, that is the here is the three inputs, that is the BCD AND gate and AC, and it will be ORing with outputs, that all the inputs of AND get each AB input will be given OR gate, BCD it will be given to the OR gate, and AC will be, and we get the same by using NAND implementation. That is we getting the AND, same we have to take the NOR, we get the same in. Now we moving toward general expression of SOP form. Here any logic expression can be changed into SOP form by using of Boolean techniques. Example here we taken A in bracket B plus CD, means what happen, we have to multiply bracket AB plus ACD, it will be here mentioned. Same again example AB plus B in bracket CD plus here, still you have to multiply with each terms, that is the AB, it will be multiplied with BCD plus BE. Again here we taken same examples, bracket A plus B and B plus C plus D, then you have to multiply one term to other bracket, that is the A to B, hence AB, AC, AD, again remaining term BB, BC and BD. Here we taken in bracket A plus bar plus C whole bar equal to, in bracket A plus B double bar C bar equal to A plus B. This is the law we used here, De Morgan's and distributed law, and we reduce the equations. The standard SOP form, standard SOP expression, which all the variables in domain appear in each product term in the expression. Here we take an example, the SOP form A B bar C D plus A bar B bar C D bar plus A B C bar D bar. This is about the one example of how to write the SOP form, and it is the important in constructing for truth tables, and it will be used for the K-map simplification method, that is known as the Karnoff map. This is the converting product terms in standard SOP, that is the steps, that is the multiply each non-standard product term by, we see the in example, then we clear the concept. It is necessity to write the steps, but it is when you take the any example, then you clear the concept. You will take the example. Here given one example, convert the following Boolean expression instant. Here is the example, A B bar C plus A bar B bar plus A B C bar D. Then here A B bar C, that is the, here is the missing term, that is the D is missing, hence we taken the law, that is the D plus D bar. Then what happen, it will be multiplied with each term, that is the, we got the A B bar C D plus A B bar C D, because the example will be given, it is the non-standard SOP form, because here is the four terms, here is the two terms, here is, means here is the two terms are missing, here is the one term is missing, then the terms are missing, then you have to add that terms. How to add, already we seen, I will clear how to add, that is the, you have to add the D plus D bar and then multiply, we got the equation. Again here is the A bar B bar, here is the two terms missing, and add first one C, that is C plus C bar, then multiply, we got the equation, that is the A B bar C, A B bar C bar. Then what will be, again one term is missing, then you add D plus D bar, then you multiply with that terms, you got the equation. And then final equation we got that A final equation we got here, the given equation A B bar C plus A bar B bar plus A B C bar D. There are one term, there are two terms are missing. After that we putting the missing terms, we got the equation, that is A B bar C D, that one A B bar C D bar, remaining A B bar C D, A B bar C D bar, that is A B bar C bar D, and that terms we are taken here, that is missing terms we putting together, and last term is the that will be given in example only. Next one, binary presentation of standard product terms. That is the product term is equal to 1 for only one combination of variables. Here we take an example. A b bar c d bar is equal to 1 when a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to 1 and d equal to 1. Means that b bar it is the identified, that is the 0. Means bar when will be takes in every uh, variable, in that case we have to consider 0. Without bar we have to take the value 1. Here we take an a b bar c d bar, means a it is the one value, here is the bar, hence we are taken 0. C it is the one, no any bar, hence taken 1. D bar is the given, hence we are taken 0. But that is the after simplification, that is the 0 bar, means it is the opposite. By using not getting given 0, then it will be takes as an 1, and we got the answer, that is the 1. But in this term 0 for all other combinations value for the variables. That is the all about the SOP. Next, POS. The POS, the two or more sum terms are multiplied. The result expression with the examples in POS forms. What is how to write, how to write the POS forms in bracket a bar plus b. That is the ORing and ending. Product of sum. This is the product and this is the sum. This is the given examples. This is also one type of examples. This is the product. This is the product of sum. But in POS form, single overbar cannot extend. It will be not extended. You have to take that is the okay example, a bar plus b bar plus c. But a plus b plus c whole bar, it is not okay in POS form, already in SOP also. But SOP here we using um, multiply sign. Here we using plus sign. That is the POS and SOP forms. Now we take the one example implementation of POS. That is the x equal to a plus b in bracket b plus c plus d, third bracket a plus c. That is the or and implementation. That is the plus sign, it will be identified the ORing operation. Hence a plus b, that is the a or b. Second one, b plus c plus d means three inputs for the OR gate, that is b c d. Third one, a plus c, that is the or, means that is the a or c, and all the will be, it is the product terms, means that it is the AND gate, it will be identified product, that is is an AND gate, and it will be given to the AND gate. We got the equation, that is the x. In POS expression, which all the variables in domain appear in each sum term in the expression. Here will be taken one example. The POS expression important, that is you have to construct truth table and using the K-map simplification method. This is the steps for the converting in standard POS, because some examples in unstandard, non-standard in POS forms, you have to convert in standard POS forms. This is the steps. We will take the example, then you clear. This is the one example Boolean expression example of POS form. This is the example in bracket a plus b bar plus c bracket completes, that is the ending with each other, that is the b bar plus c plus d bar. This is the third bracket. Same again, you have to identify the what is the missing terms, and in SOP form we have to take the using d or d bar, that time means that is the missing terms. But here plus sign means it is the opposite sign, whatever the missing terms you have to take the as a product term, that is the dd. You take here first one, what is three. This is the example. Here is the four variables, here is the three, here is the three. Means here is the a is the missing, here is the d is missing. Hence we taken a plus b plus c, the missing terms d d. Then the terms will be separated, that is the a plus b plus c d, and again second bracket a plus c plus d. Next bracket, that is the b c b bar c plus d bar. The a term is missing, hence we are adding here a bar, that is the same b bar c. Here is the bar, it will be by mistake it will be comes downward direction. It is the b bar plus c plus d bar plus a bar. The after simplification we will get the equation, that is the a plus b bar plus c plus d bar, and next equation a bar plus b bar c plus d bar. Means whatever the adding terms, we have to take the two brackets, that is the a bar d bar, and last term is the same because here is the no any missing terms, then it will becomes as it is. And after simplified the answer, we are putting the answers, that is the a, that is the b bar plus c plus d, a b bar c plus d bar, remaining a plus b bar c plus d bar, a bar b bar c plus d bar, and the given a plus b bar c bar d. That is a non-standard to standard POS. It is the canonical form we see in the chart. How to write in binary presentation in some terms. Here is the example, a plus b bar plus c d bar is equal to 0 when a is 0 and here is the bar. When in POS form, the bar will be identified, it is the 1. Here it means d bar and b bar, it is the 1, remaining terms are 0. In SOP opposite condition, without bar it is the 1 and bar will be 0. Hence we taken here a plus b bar c plus d bar, that is the 0 1 bar 0 1 bar, that is the 1 bar means it is opposite, we give us the 0, means all the terms will be gets 0. Then you moving towards the SOP and POS forms, converting standard SOP to standard POS. But in converting in standard SOP to POS, standard POS, the two binary values of the product terms in given standard SOP expression are not present in the equivalent standard POS, and binary values that are not represented in the SOP expression are present in equivalent POS. We see the steps will be given here. We'll take the examples, then we clear the steps. Here is the given, convert the SOP expression to an equivalent POS expression. This is the SOP expression. Evaluation will be followed. The bar will be identified in SOP form, that is the 0, and without bar it is the 1. There are 8 possible combinations because there are 3 terms A, B, C. Hence we have to take the 8 possible combination up to 0 to 7 combinations. The SOP expressions contains 5 of these. So the POS must contain the other 3 which are, that is then which terms you have to not here, then that terms you have to identify, and that terms are present, that is the POS terms. Means here is the 5 terms, means 2 terms are missing, 3 terms are missing. That terms, that is the 001, 100 and 110, that terms are missing in above equation, means that terms will be POS terms, and that terms will be taken here, and here is the bar will be identified as an 1. This is the example. The Boolean expression and truth tables. The standard Boolean expression can be easily converted in truth table format. Also, standard SOP and POS expression can be determined by the truth tables. This is the step converting SOP expressions to truth table format. We'll see the example. Converting SOP expression to truth table format. Develop the truth table for the standard SOP, that is the A bar B bar C plus A bar B bar C bar plus ABC. This is the inputs A, B, C. In SOV, the bar it will be identified as an 0, and without bar it is identified as an 1. Hence, A bar B bar C means A bar it is the 0, B bar it is the 0, C it is the 1. Hence, these terms will be present. That is the here A B bar C. If here is the in C there is a no bar, you consider means A is the 0, B is the 0, C is the 1. That is the output, it will be 1. That is the term, that is the product. Next, A B bar C bar, that is the A is the 1, B is the 0, C is the 0. The output term is the 1. That is the, here is the bar, you consider by mistake here we not getting. And next A B C means all the ones are, because no any bar, hence 1 1 1, output is 1, because only 3 terms, hence output is the 1, remaining all the 0. That is the in given truth table. Same in POS expressions for truth table format. This is the step we check in truth table only. This is the given POS forms. A plus B plus C means A or B or C. This is the first bracket. Inputs, outputs, and product term. You go, that is the without bar means in POS form, that is the 0 means 0 0 0, then that output will be 1. 0 0 0. Okay, the output will be 0, but product term is present here, A plus B plus. Next one, A plus B bar C, that is A plus B bar C, that is the 0, that is the B bar is identified 1 0. That term means whatever the present terms, that is the 0, remaining terms are 1. C, last one, A bar plus B bar C, that is the A bar means here we 1, that is the A bar, B bar also 1, and C is the 0, that is the A bar B bar C. The remaining terms are, that is the red color terms are 1, remaining all terms are 0. That is the POS. This is also steps for the, we seen the examples. Here we given one example, determining standard expression form on truth table. There are 4 ones in output. Here you check 0 1 1, that is the SOP form. 0 it is the noted as n bar, that is the A bar BC, that is the A B bar C, that is the A B C bar, that is the A B C. Means when the these values will be given, then you have to prepare the such type of equations. Same here, same when you taken the 0 0 0 means that is the A or B or C, that is the A or B or C bar. Here is the one means C. And the equation will be prepared as it is. Here is the multiply sign, that is the product terms. Here is the plus sign, because that is the OR gate, that is the product of sum, and sum of product, that is the expression of, and that's if using of these equations we prepared here. Uh, one truth table. This is all about SOP and POS form examples, non-standard and how to convert in standard form. This is the related to all the terms. Now next lecture we seen the basics of KMap. We stop here. Thank you.